Welcome back to my final daily report market analysis video with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Thursday the 7th of May. We're going to look at this gold chart now, and what we have seen over the last few sessions, or a couple of weeks actually, is this little downtrend forming and dragging gold lower. Now, yesterday's move hit that downtrend and then fell away quite strongly into the close, but we've seen a little bit of a rebound again today. I continue to expect or believe that gold is still a buy into weakness. I think that the medium to longer term outlook for gold remains very strong, and subsequently I'm a buy into weakness. And I think that this a band of support between 1660, that reaction over in May, April, and 1668 on the 1st of May, I think that's some decent support now. I think that's a pretty good buying area. Now, what we have seen today is this unwind to 1681 and then starting to rebound higher again. Now, that downtrend comes in just a shade above $1,700 now, 1704. Interestingly enough, that comes in just around about that old pivot line, doesn't it, that we have been talking about recently. You can see this downtrend on the hourly chart. And I think it's still a factor in this move, and given the fact that we dropped below 1690, which had been a basis of a pivot in the last few weeks as well, I think that sort of tends to leave us leave gold at still a little bit corrective on a near-term basis. The legacy of yesterday's decline has not yet been sort of ironed out, and I think it won't be until 1711 is overcome. It's been a high that we've tested on a couple of occasions this week, on Monday and also on Tuesday. So that is the resistance that we've got on gold now, that you need to break out above to really generate some upside momentum. Confirmation of that would come above 1721, and then you can start talking about these highs again. But at the moment, we're just sort of hanging back a little bit. I've still got this pivot line at 1702 in place, which essentially is still a decent gauge, I think, for how the market is playing within this continuing range play that we've got here. But ultimately I still see weakness as a chance to buy, and I think anything around 1660 towards probably 1676, this 23.6% fib line, I think that's decent entry points for gold for medium term positions really. And I think that it will be testing 1648 in 1646 in due course, and then beyond that after. So I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos, and you can go to our website where you can sign up for our webinars.